When the night feels heavy on my heart and I don't know where to start, I raise my hands, I call your name. You hear me even in my pain. I've walked alone, I've felt the fear, but you were always near. In every tear I couldn't hide, you stayed right by my side. You are enough for me when I am weak and small. You are the peace I feel when I stumble and I fall. You are enough for me in my tears, in my pain. I trust you with my heart, Ya Allah, you remain. I don't know what tomorrow brings, but I know who holds everything. So I surrender all my fears. I place my hope beyond the years. Every breath I take is yours. Every step you guide my course. You are enough for me, more than all I see. My life is in your hands, Hasbi Ya Allah. You are enough for me, Hasbi Ya Allah. You are enough for me. You are enough for me.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك بالقناة ليصلكم كل جديد.